rattling noise shouldn't do it. But when the phone is off, because the lenses are loose inside there, listen. It's just moving up and down. It's not the cable, it's the lens inside. It's not doing it when the camera is on, because there is the magnetic field that keeps the lens locked in.